right, we're at the Gigabyte Hotel Suite booth, and we have Andrew.
Hi.
How's it going? And we're going to talk a little bit about this graphics card right here. So tell us more about this one.
This actually you're looking is the 1590 Infinity. So this is the first card of that Infinity series we're going to introduce. So this actually the major difference compared with the 1590 Stealth or 1590 Master. As you can see, the major difference is the length. This actually is smaller, 33 centimeter long, that able to fit into an M-ATX chassis. So if you're looking for a best powerful build for the M-ATX case system, that this car will be the best choice.
Okay, great. Yeah. Tell us, there's a center fan right in the middle too, right?
Yeah, you look at correct. Yeah, you see this small fan here can directly blow the air, cool down the vapor chamber right here. Also really beneficial for the airflow balancing between these two big fans. Want to talk more about this big fans right here? You actually can see through this fan to the back.
Yes, you can. Look at that.
Yeah.
Right. So on the other side, that means it's wow. Look at that.
Yeah. We also have the 40 right here, refers to the 40th anniversary of Gigabyte. Yes, Gigabyte is 40 years old. Yeah, as you can see right here, this solution allows us to have a HYPERBURST solution. This solution can have the cold air blow from his side and do the heat dissipation vertically to upside, really beneficial for the PC system cooling. And we can see the efficiency increase much, 28% leap compared to the traditional design.
Wow, okay. Tell us more about this connector right here. Look at that. It's not your usual connector. It's actually angled.
Yes, this is actually a slide-in power connector design, able to beneficial for a user who is kind of like worries about the cable management when you're trying to install the VGA card. That will really prevent the band issue. That also ensure the safety as well.
Excellent. So with this, it's a limited edition. This is the GeForce Infinity, right?
Yes,
the 1590 Infinity. Wow.
Yeah, 32G. As you can see right here, the aesthetics right here is really good. It actually, for me, reminds me like a movie of the Tron Legacy.
Oh yeah, like a Tron vehicle.
Yeah,
right.
It's a vehicle right here. Yeah, so this is really nice and will be the first Infinity product we're going to launch right now, and we're going to launch more Infinity products on other components in near future. This will be available at 2026 Q1, so stay tuned, guys.
Okay, that's great. Thank you, Andrew.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.